Hello and welcome to Fall 2016 Communication. I hope that you are ready and willing to get the next few weeks going and learn all that you can about communicating and presenting yourself. My name is Cora Ellen Young. You can call me Miss Ellen or Miss Young, and I'm going to be hopefully the guide that walks you through the rest of this course online. I've been teaching online for about 11 years now, 8 full time, so I've been doing this for a little bit. And I really wanted to create this video so that you would be aware that there is a real human being that is on the other side of that the computer, communicating with you, making sure that you have what you need to succeed. A lot of people are not huge fans of any type of public speaking, so if you are a little bit nervous about how the rest of this course and the presentations are going to go, I understand, and I'm here for you. I was that person who was absolutely terrified in any type of public speaking encounter, but ended up falling in love with it at the end and deciding to shape my entire life around it. Now, if you want to know who I am a little bit, typically in my classes I have a Q&A session where my students get to question me so they can figure out who I am. And for this one, I'm going to give you a few pieces of information, and then under the introductions board online, you will be able to post any other questions or comments that you might have trying to figure me out. One of the most key components of communication is being able to address your audience correctly and appropriately, but also in a unique and kind of entertaining fashion. And since I'm going to be your primary audience over the next few weeks, I do want you to kind of get a feel for who I am and what I'm going to be like, because you need to figure me out. To start off with, I am an animal person. I have 2 cats that live in the house with me, and if there ever is a time where this door over here opens up, that would be because the cats have picked the lock again. I live in a very old house, and so the cats have figured out how to open pretty much every door in the house. I also have 2 dogs that are not in the house because they're a Great Pyrenees and an Anatolian Shepherd, so they're about 130 pounds apiece, and that's just too much dog to have in the house. But I'm also an outdoorsy person. I love hiking, swimming, pretty much anything I can get into outside. And I also love exercising and working out, which is why there's a treadmill behind me. I also, of course, love reading. I'm all about books. This is just the bookcase that's in my personal office downstairs. I have a lot of other bookcases everywhere else throughout the house. I love to read. There are actually bags of books behind me if you look. I absolutely love everything to do with reading and words. The more words, the better. Other things you might want to know about me, I, again, have been teaching for quite a long time. I have lived most of my life in East Tennessee and have worked most of the colleges in this particular area. My focuses in communication are nonverbal communication and a good healthy bit of research on learning support for students who are not as strong in reading and communication as they'd like to be, and also the study of non-traditional or returning students. So I have a great love on how people look and how they communicate themselves just through their appearance. I have a great love for words and how people choose to communicate with each other. And I have a deep love for students who return to school, or for students who have some struggles coming back to school, because that's where the focuses of most of my master's research came from, was figuring out what motivates people to return, and then also how do they get through it. Even if they've started at age 18, how are they pushing through college? How do they navigate that transition from high school to college, or going away for 10 years, having a career, and then coming back? I think all of that is really interesting. And I've studied pretty much every facet of college students, so if I haven't mentioned you, don't worry, I have love for you too. I have researched so much of it, but those are kind of my biggest areas. I'm a huge nonverbal communication person. Now, if you want to know anything else, again, I've tried to keep this video pretty short. Please post the question on the introductions board, and I will make sure that I answer it for you so you can kind of figure me out. Please also post some information about yourself so I can figure you out. I need to know how to communicate specifically to you. I want to make sure you have everything you need in this course and that you feel at ease and can handle everything it throws at you. So if you're nervous, don't worry. I was terrified through public speaking, and now I do it for a living. And if you're totally confident, good for you. Still make sure that you do the work. If there's anything I can do, let me know. My email is always around. Have a lovely day.